This is our chip resetters tutorial for original Brother cartridges LC3219 and LC3217. There are two versions of this resetter available. You can choose between a resetter for 120 resets or the unlimited version. The resetter can reset the ink level status of original Brother LC3219 and LC3217 cartridges from the status empty back to the status full. Refilled cartridges need to have an ink level status. You cannot use them with the ink level status empty. The resetter is USB powered. We use a connection cable suitable for Brother printers. To power the resetter, we have unplugged the USB connection cable from our Brother printer. We can utilize this cable thanks to the fact that the socket on the resetter is the same as the socket on the Brother inkjet printer. The resetter is ready for operation as soon as the LED on the resetter is blinking red. In the next step, the actual reset of the ink chip on the original Brother inkjet cartridge can be done by using our resetter. Therefore, the chip sitting on the cartridge housing is pressed onto the resetter's contact pins using the positioning guide on the resetter. When the reset sequence has been completed successfully, the LED switches from red to green. For a more detailed picture, we show the reset process once more from a different perspective. Just keep on trying and find your own way which suits you best to hold the cartridge and the resetter. After completing the ink chip's reset successfully, it is necessary to refill the cartridge with suitable printer ink. Please note that we have a standalone tutorial for filling the ink. The reset and refilled cartridge sits inside the printer again, and the printer asks if we have exchanged that cartridge. We confirm that with yes. And on the display you can see that the cartridge is recognized with a full ink level status again. Due to legal reasons, our refilled and reset Brother cartridge is shown as a non-original cartridge after the reprogramming of the chip. As mentioned at the beginning, the resetter can be purchased from Octopus as a resetter for 120 resets or as a professional version with an unlimited number of resets. Beside that, you can order for refilling these Brother cartridges the suitable refill inks and the helpful refill tools as well. Please check the links in the video description to navigate to our store. Thank you very much for your time and thank you very much for watching. We hope that our tutorial contains some useful information for you, and we hope to see you back at another Octopus TV session.